That's good every time. Hey, 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 Captain Harry Chris Johnson here. I'm going on for Red. I'm filling in for Red today. I'm a couple minutes late because I wanted to call and talk to him for a couple minutes. Red has got a doctor's appointment today, an annual checkup. He is great, but he asked me if I could fill in for him for today. I said absolutely, because I have to go get this mop cut anyway in about an hour. So it worked out really good for me. Let me tell you what's going on today. I'm early, so it's probably going to mess everyone up. So today at 2 o'clock, we have the round table. I was told, well, I'm not going to say that. I'm just going to say you never know who's going to show up. Ash Mafara has been very consistent for quite a while now, showing up on the round table. So make sure you get on that. We did talk about a lot of new things last week, especially about those labs and what they really are. A lot of people might be a little confused. The labs and the facilities he's building is where he's going to be building his physical products, getting them all up to date, patent and everything else. So don't get confused on that. It's really awesome. Trust me on that one. What else we got going today? That's pretty much about it. It was a quiet weekend. I hope you all had a wonderful Mother's Day weekend. And it was actually in Michigan. It was a real nice weekend. Lots of sun, maybe 70 degrees, not real warm yet, but it was good to go. So now I don't have anyone on this live. Well, maybe I do. I just don't see anybody's names. I don't know. There we go. I think I'm just seeing some names pop up now. Rotan, how you doing? There's one. It says I got like 7 people on here, but that's okay. But guys, 2 o'clock today. This is going to be a fast live, and I'm filling in for Red Redford. Marty will be coming on at noon, when I'll be getting this mop cut. You see, I grow hair faster than weeds, man. And that's it. But 2 o'clock today, I definitely would get on it. I do know there's a new time limit from 2 to 5. That's it. If Ash comes on, as soon as Ash is done giving us updates, it'll be over. There's no more than 2 till 8 o'clock at night meetings that's going to be happening. So, hey, Moses, how you doing? Tanya and Passive, how you doing? Filling in for Red today a little bit, Tanya. And I don't have much to say because we have not been updated on a lot of things. I'm sure we're going to find out a lot more today, but you really should be excited. All right, our own servers, labs for physical products, factories for making everything. You name it, we got it, products, and it's coming soon. Next couple weeks, I think it's going to be pretty exciting. I know we are celebrating India on May 15th. That was changed because of Mother's Day yesterday, where they're starting campaigns in 28 states in India. Very, very excited about that. What's up, Akram? How you doing? That's going to go on May 15th. That's Gersh Mender's heading that off. And if you got any questions, please ask Gersh Mender. A lot of you are asking me questions that I'm not sure about or I don't know how to answer to because Gersh Mender, you might be able to talk to Niraj too. People are asking me for templates and stuff like that. And remember, guys, for this campaign thing, we're doing it. We're not collecting money from anybody. We're simply going out there. We're doing the campaigns, which is belly to belly, talking to people. We're not taking any funds from anybody. The only funds we take is to join for 97 bucks. So do not take money from anyone donating. That's against the rules. It's against the NDA. And I'm going to have to bring that up every once in a while because some people are out there breaking rules. All right, guys, you cannot make money off events. All right, that's how it is. That's the rules. Please don't do that. Please don't do that. I know I'm hearing things. People are telling me things. All right, I don't know. Just be careful. The whole goal here is to spread Onpassive through the entire country of India, through 28 states, belly to belly, passing hats, t-shirts out, and that's it. We don't have an event to make money off people. That's just how it works. So pass it along, share this out, make sure people understand. But I got to get going. If anything else pops up, Marty will be on at noon. He's probably got a lot more to say because I was totally unprepared for this today. So I just thought I'd get on here and remind you about the 2 o'clock. I love every one of you. Keep going. I'm going to say some silent prayers for some of my brothers and sisters on Onpassive. Always praying for you. Silent prayers are just as strong as everything else. So, my computer's going nuts. But just keep doing what you're doing. Keep sharing. The founder's position is still open. Maybe we'll find out a little bit more about that today. and just get excited, guys. All right. Let me see if I missed anybody. I don't have a lot of people today because I came on so early. Casey, Judy, how you doing? Akram, Andy Burks, what's happening? Yeah, I got on. I had to fill in for Red, Andy. Vivek, how you doing? Annette, Sharon, Vic, what's happening? Listra T, Tanya, Steve Leonard, my Michigan Angel, how you doing? And family member, Mukalurs Ramen, Jana, what's happening? Elsie Patch, how you doing? I hope you guys all have wonderful Mother's Day. Julie Wen, what's happening? I am off getting my hair cut here soon. As you can see, I have a lot of grass to cut up here. Spencer Carter. So guys, get in this. Keep sharing. Remember the rules. We don't collect money from anybody. The only thing we get is $97, and we don't get it. It goes to the company to become a founder. Period. That's it. We don't take anything else. That's how it is. We're not one of those companies. We're a real brick and mortar company, and we're just going to keep going. All right, I got to go. Got to go get it chopped off, man. Catch Marty at noon. That's in about 7 minutes. He's got probably a lot more things to say. And I love every one of you. Happy birthday if you got a birthday. And let's do this. Have a great day, guys. Next time you see me, I'll be Uncle Festerous looking. All right, we'll see everybody later. Bill Must, I know he's not on here, but I'm sure he'll get on here. John White, all my favorites. I'll say hi to you guys later. All right, bye.